What's up, guys? It's your boy at Freddyzy. What's going on? Today on this episode we will clean the throttle body. So we'll need a 8mm socket, flathead screwdriver. That's about it. We'll remove that screw, and that screw, 3 screws. Loosen this. So let's go ahead and do that. Not a good sign when they're hard to take off. Take that off. Always remember those tabs. So while we're at it, unscrew this guy. We disconnected this guy, right? So it should just pop right off. And look at that. Alright, so there's 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's get an 8mm in there and take her out. 8mm with a little bit of an extension. Now we're going to leave the top one because when you remove the 2 bottom ones, we need one to hold the top so it just doesn't flop into the engine bay. There you go, bucko. That is a lot of oil in there. So we're gonna get some brake cleaner. Just wash it up. Now you don't need much. What I like to do is spray it actually on here. Holy, that's a high velocity. Spray it onto your doodad. Right up. But it's a lot better than it was. So I'm happy with it. Next, we're also going to get an oil catch can on here to prevent this from happening. It's really getting into here, but it comes back into the blade. Anyways. So, now that's all the dry. Let's put back our little doohickey here. Careful you don't cross thread this plastic threads. Super easy. Just snug tight. Go around, check the tightness. Because when you tighten one, it might loosen the other. Alright, throw this bad boy on. Alright, home stretch, boys and girls. Home stretch. Throw that in there and lock it. Now, let's get our tube here. Hold it there, Dick. Throw that on there. Okay. Throw this doohickey in here. Okay. Alright. Remember, these tabs go into here, and then you screw them in. Alright. Okay. Doohickeys. Make sure they're in there. Oh, that was easier than I thought it would go. This one. And ooh. So that's it for this 300 for today. That was a good little throttle body clean. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay tuned, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. Really appreciate it. And I'll check you guys later. Peace.